Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life, and today I am bringing you the SCT sampler kit for the month of July. And I'm doing a little bit different here. I've laid it all out and then we'll look at everything a little bit closer. So the theme is very clearly summer, and this card says every summer has its own story. I think this would look super cute just tucked into an album or even added as a layering element on a 12 by 12 scrapbook page. So we have fantastic products from Doodlebug Design. It's their Sweet Summer collections. We've got pattern papers, we've got some cardstock, and we also have a Doodle Pop icon sticker. So let's look at those a little bit closer. So here is the little Doodle Pop. It's a three-dimensional sticker, and it's just this little moped with some fruit and veggies in the basket. So that's really cute. We have this 12 by 6 sticker sheet. It's clearly got a summer vibe. It's such a cute collection. Well, Doodlebug always does cute well. So fun. And then the paper, we have raspberry and tangerine. It's that textured cardstock. Okay. And the papers, I'm not sure which is which, so I'll just read them off and then I'll show you the collection. So we have Summer Fun, Cabana Stripe, Fruit Cocktail, Beach Bag, Punch Plaid, Happy Hour. So here's all these different fruits. The back side is an orange with a white polka dot. Here's a rainbow stripe. On the other side is this floral. You can see that they're flowers. Very cute. Here's some cocktails or fruity drinks, I guess, if you want to keep it non-alcoholic. And then it's a yellow and white stripe on the back. This is a mismatch of all the icons from the collection, it looks like. A lot of these are repeated on the sticker sheet, and then on the other side it's this green on green grass textured cardstock. Well, it's not really textured, but it looks like grass. And then here is the plaid. So cute. And then this side's got some borders. And then this bold polka dot, and on the other side is a red and white diagonal stripe. We also get, what do they call it? Enamel dots. And this is actually, I thought it was from Doodlebug, but it's actually belonging to the Pink Fresh collection. So I had that in the wrong spot. But you can see that they clearly go across both, which is great. So I got yellow. I'm assuming there are probably different colors in the pack, and depending on which packet or which kit you get, you'll get a different color. So the Pink Fresh Studios from their Simple and Sweet collection, as I mentioned earlier, we've got 4 6x6 sheets. The papers are Lemon Lush, Splendid, Good Things, and Good Company. So this one has this bold lemon print on it. It says, "Grow your dreams, smile and brilliant" on my section of the page. And on the back is a black and white, which you could easily color in with markers. So that's really fun. This one here, Stop and Smell the Flowers, my favorite kind of day, simple, and I'm not sure what that says, Simple and Sunshine maybe. And Live, Create, Tell, Story, Repeat. That's really pretty. I love these colors. They're very fresh to me. And then on the back side is this geometric print. This one here is this beautiful blue. And we've got Seeker of Everyday Magic, Rise and Shine. It's got some floral motifs and some frames. And the other side is this aqua, I guess, or mint green. And it looks like it might be, I don't think it's a circle design. It might be like a rounded circle or rounded square design. I don't even see that. Let me hold that up a little bit. You can see it's not a perfect circle. And then we have some, looks like lemon slices. And on the other side is this chevron pattern in the colors of the collection. We also get some of the puffy stickers. I got the ones that say, never lose your sense of wonder, a lemon, things that make me smile, keep shining in the world. No, keep shining, the world needs your light. And then a mason jar, not mason jar, a jar full of lemonade, it looks like. Let's see what that looks like. And then I got some of the epoxy stickers. And then last but not least, I got some of the ephemera, or we get some of the ephemera. So this one says present and in awe, and you get a little floral. Here's a mug of tea. This one says you feel like sunshine. Okay. This one says dream in color. And this is really pretty. It looks like it's got gold foiling in this collection, which is very nice. A basket full of lemons, another floral piece, and this says let your heart sing. And then to round off the rest of the kit, we get some Jane alphabet stickers from Elle Studios. So these are fairly tiny stickers, alpha stickers. They're in white, which is great because you could, if it's like most Elle Studio products, you could easily color this with like Copic markers or something to match the collection, or of course you could just use white. From SCT, we get the acrylic word that says summer, and it's a pretty good thick piece, so no breakage this month. And then we get from Tailored Expressions this embossing folder, and I'll just show you the design on the back. Whoops, sorry. The design on the back. How cool is that? I'm so excited. Anyways, that is the sampler kit for July. Be sure to check out the website if you are interested in signing up for the kit. I believe you have to sign up a month in advance about that. Anyways, if you just go to the SCT scrapbookandcardstoday.com, they have a whole verbiage, and I've repeated it in previous emails, so I'm not going to go into it today. But I think it's a pretty awesome deal. You're getting current product, you get a sampling of each, enough to do at least one scrapbook page per collection. You can definitely make multiple cards, and then of course every collection so far that I've had has some sort of tool or something like that that's a repeat item. It's either stamps or dies or like a ruler or something like that. So anyways, I'm very happy. Can't wait to use this. Until next time, happy crafting.